Yo, what is good everyone on YouTube? Back with another video. I am wearing the same shirt in the last video because I absolutely love this shirt. If you guys are interested, it will be linked down below. But anyways, we have a beautiful box. Once again, shout out to the good folks over at Culture Kings for sponsoring this video and also providing everything that we're about to style, show, good fall winter pickups. If you guys don't know about Culture Kings, they are a great one-stop shop when it comes down to your streetwear needs. If you guys are looking for some dope hats, some UFC gear that has nice little big graphic tees, they also have some pants, shoes, whatever you truly think you need from the streetwear world, Culture Kings has you guys covered. So if you guys want to go ahead and use my discount code on their website, you guys can use code BRANDFLAKES to save you a little extra money on the Culture Kings website. The video is something that I'm actually very excited for. If you guys didn't tune into the recent vlog or one vlog past, I don't even know when it was released, but I went to a store and I was like, oh, I really wish I could buy these, but I didn't because I was trying to save money. Culture Kings had them available and I went ahead and pulled the trigger. These are beautiful, man. The 2160 in the nice Paris colorway. It does have that nice cream tint with hits of orange and also Volt. Oh my god, dude, these are so sick. I'm very excited to add these to the collection because these Asics are super comfortable. I did have a pair of 2160s a little while back, but I think this colorway is just absolutely amazing and they had them on the Culture Kings website. So it's called the Paris colorway if anyone is interested. But yeah, these are sick. I can't wait to go ahead and rock these. So when buying these items, I really wanted to go ahead and focus towards more fall winter items. So we're going to see a lot of hoodies, a lot of jackets, some zip ups. I think zip ups are actually going to blow up this fall winter time. I think they're going to be very perfect. I think people are actually going to prefer zip ups over hoodies. That could be a hot take, but I did go ahead and get this nice zip up right here. It's an oversized zip up, so I went with the size medium, and it's honestly a little different. So right here you see the gray, but it also does come with two different sleeves, and I feel like this is a nice boxy fit to it. This is from the brand called Carré, which is a in-house brand from Culture Kings, and I thought this was different. So one sleeve is maroon, the next sleeve is this nice like tealish greenish colorway, and something different in my rotation, man. I do love the multiple prints on my flannels, so why not try it in a nice zip-up form? And as you guys can see, it also does have the C with the logo right there as well. So this one's a size medium. If anyone is interested in this, I did go with a size medium. So that's me sizing down because normally I would get a large. So yeah. So the next pickup, I'm actually gonna go ahead and style it with this zip up right here. We have a black pair of pants from the brand called Saint Morta. So as you guys can see, you see the leather patch on the back right there. I don't know if it's picking it up. It does have small details, like it does have the two sword crosses right here embroidered. I don't know if the camera's gonna catch it, but oh yeah, there you guys go. So nice details, man. They are black on black. So it's, you know, little things like that that people may not notice. It does have two cargo pockets in the front, and my favorite part is that how wide these baggy pants are. I love a nice wide bottom as of lately. I'm not really into the slimmer, skinnier look. I just really love baggy pants right now. So I think these are gonna fit amazing. You guys will definitely see me wear them in the next clip. But yeah, shout out to Saint Morta, another brand that Culture Kings carries, and I do love the cargo pockets as well. And something I just realized, it does come with a cool keychain. So yeah, I don't know what this is. I think it says love, I don't know. But yeah, there you guys have it. I'm sure you guys know Culture Kings does a lot of hats with New Era and a lot of different things with baseball inspired themes. I'm not a big baseball guy, but I do for sure know the name Shohei Ohtani. And honestly, he kind of makes me want to watch baseball. I don't have a baseball team to claim, and I kind of just really like this jacket. So don't roast me when it comes down to this jacket here because I don't know anything about baseball. But I did go ahead and get this nice New Era jacket in a size large, and it does have the Dodgers hits. This is clean, man. I do love the logoing. So you have LA Dodgers in the front. It says Dodgers in this nice patch, National League, and it also does have some sleeve hits as well, as you guys can see. Also, big Los Angeles Dodgers hit on the back. So I didn't know what team to get. I did like the Atlanta Braves one, just because I feel like their logo is super cool as well. But I thought this one was super sick, so I went ahead and got it. If you guys are looking for a nice varsity jacket when it comes down to the fall winter time, I think this is a good look to look into, especially if you're a Dodgers fan. They also do have other teams, but I thought this one was sick, so I went ahead and added it to my cart. And yeah, this is available on Culture Kings. You guys have the nice fuzzy patch right here. This is clean, man. Shout out New Era, shout out Culture Kings. And I guess I'm a baseball fan. Hop on the Shohei Ohtani bandwagon. Okay, we'll save the next 2 clothing items for, no, we'll get into it. We'll do the clothing items and then we'll save the bag for last because this is for sure something different in here. I did go ahead and pick up this nice flannel. This brand is called 23. So just a really nice satin line. It has like the nice inside as you guys can see. And it's just a really cool flannel. I did wish I got a size medium to have it fit a little tighter and cropped, but the size large will fit me nicely. I just really like the color purple with the white. I think this looks clean. You could definitely wear them with the black pants that we went ahead and copped a little earlier. But yeah, shout out to Culture Kings for providing flannels, man. I did need to go ahead and stock up on flannels. This one is nice and heavy for the fall time. Okay, so the next brand I've actually never showed on this channel, which I find kind of cool to show you guys new brands, but this one's called Diet Starts Monday. I believe they've been around for a while now, but I've never really copped any items from them. So as you guys can see, it says Diet Starts Monday, Los Angeles. I'm guessing an LA-based brand. Go ahead and get this nice cream t-shirt from Culture Kings that carries Diet Starts Monday. It says Diet 1984 International. Just a nice graphic tee to even maybe wear under flannels. I do plan on wearing more flannels and graphic tees, so I do like the pop of pink and blue on this graphic right here. So go with a size large. So if you guys are interested, size large is what I got. It does seem to have like a nice boxy cut to it, but look at the pop of colors. I think this is really cool. So yeah. Last but not least, Culture Kings big box bag. Technically, I don't know if I'm supposed to show this to you guys because it doesn't release just yet. I think I'm allowed to, but you guys will see me style this on Instagram and also on my stories. So we do have a Culture Kings X Timberland collaboration. I am not a big Timberland guy, but I did want to go ahead and experiment with my style and go ahead and purchase these. So Culture Kings, thank you. Congrats on this big collaboration with Timberland. You guys see the box, nice gold and black. I did go with a size 9 because I read that you have to size down in Tims. So here you guys have it. These smell great. I love a good, wow, these smell crazy. You have leather on the collar and you do have a nice denim collaboration with Timberland. Dude, these are actually way better in person than in photos. So there you guys have it. Timberland Culture Kings collaboration pickup. This is gonna be wild for me to style these, but I did need a boot for these, I almost said summertime. I did need a boot to go ahead and wear, you know, when I'm out in the mountains snowboarding and kind of walking around. So these will be perfect for the winter time, especially when I go to Utah or say, you know, the snowy mountains. But these are sick, man. I cannot wait to actually wear these because I do think the toe box looks sick when you drape over the pant. Give it off that little yachty vibe. All right, y'all, so that does wrap it up for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to go ahead, smash the like button for me, subscribe if you guys are new here, run up the comments because I do respond to every single comment down below. So thank you guys so much for all the interaction. It truly does give me a good time to go ahead and chat it up with you guys down below. Obviously, if you guys saw anything in this video that you may want to purchase or check out, make sure to go ahead and use that link and discount code down below in the description box, which will be Brand Flakes. I'll put it up on the screen. You guys can save a little extra money on your Culture Kings purchase. Definitely worth checking out for the fall winter time coming up, or at least in season. I don't know, in Vegas it's still hot, but you guys know what I'm trying to say here. So thank you guys. I'll catch y'all in the next video. You guys have a great day. Peace. Emoji of the day is going to be the shooting star emoji, just so I know you guys watched the whole way through. And if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, or if you guys don't join the Discord group, I don't know what you guys are doing. So thank you guys so much for all the love as of lately. Like I said, if you guys watched the whole way through, drop the star emoji. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.